My brother was diagnosed with Hodgkin's lymphoma when I was 16 or 17. His name's Ben. He's into gaming, likes to smash it out on the Xbox. He also listens to a lot of music, you know, rock, hip-hop, that kind of stuff. Ben's the type of person who's not fazed particularly. Doesn't show his emotions, he's very composed. So as his older brother, I was very impressed by the way he handled himself. When something like this happens, you know, it just forces those blood connections out. And now we're closer than we ever would have been without it. So, I'm shaving for my little bro Ben.